In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Doordash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of adding and using your Visa gift card to place an order on Doordash. To my knowledge, you will be able to place an order at any restaurant, any store, anywhere, as long as it is included in Doordash and they accept credit or debit card payments. So all that you have to do is open the latest version of the Doordash mobile app and navigate to your account section. You will also be able to do this process when you go to checkout during an order, so choose whichever option you believe is most convenient. If you go over to your account section, you will be able to find payment methods either under settings or a similar category. Now, if you do this process while going to checkout, you will be able to find it when you choose the payment options. Now, you will be able to choose Add Payment Method and then select Credit or Debit Card. As you might be aware, you will now be able to input the details about the debit card that you want to use. Of course, your Visa gift card will have the card number, expiration date, and security code just like any other standard Visa card, and you just have to include it here. If it goes through and the card appears under the payment methods, you will be able to proceed and finish the order on checkout. Alternatively, if it gives you an error telling you that it was not accepted or that something weird happened, then unfortunately that could mean that your specific Visa gift card is not accepted on Doordash. Most Visa gift cards should go through without any issues, but if you get any errors regarding the validity of your card, then usually there's nothing that you can do. Just include the card number, expiration date, and security code and see if it works. If it does, finish your purchase or your order and you will receive your items. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Visa gift card on Doordash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.